Today, we celebrate the graduation of a new group of physicians dedicated to advancing healthcare in underserved populations. As physicians, you are stepping into a role where your decisions, your care, and your empathy will shape the future for generations. Who pushed the limits of life, making us live longer and healthier? Every day, we benefit from the dreams of those who transformed medicine. Those who wiped out deadly diseases, mended hearts, and unlocked the secret of our DNA. Now it's your turn. Can you envision a world where every diagnosis comes with a cure? Imagine the lives you will touch, the communities you will transform. With each patient you meet, each challenge you overcome, you are not just practicing medicine, you are defining it for the future. Today, we gather to celebrate not just an ending, but the beginning of a journey. Your journey. Congratulations, Class of 2024. The future is yours to heal.